I let my hairdresser do whatever she wanted to my hair, and today you are gonna see the full hair transformation and how it all went down. The salon I went to is called Fernanda's Beauty Salon. They do keratin treatments, hair coloring, any type of hair treatment you can think of. The first thing Fernanda did was something called a test strand. This informs her of how the appointment is gonna go. She's gonna find out how much product she'll need to use, how long I will be there, how much it'll cost, how much damage it's gonna cause to my hair, if any, and basically whether or not what she had planned for my hair is even possible. The test strand also tells her whether or not the hair is virgin, which would also then tell her what products she should and shouldn't use. A lot of people swear that I had a keratin treatment done to my hair prior to this appointment, and the test strand proved that I did not have a keratin treatment.
So keratin, what it does is it seals the hair, right? So if she had keratin, the test, when I put bleach on it, like a test strand, will take a long time for it to come out, like to lighten. Versus virgin hair, the cuticle is very open and easy to lift. So we'll find out right now. Okay. We'll find out right now. Oh, your hair is virgin, girl. Guys, her hair is virgin. It is confirmed. It's like a DNA test. You are.
The very first part of my hair transformation included Fernanda coloring my hair using the balayage technique. With this technique, the highlights are hand painted on the surface of random sections of hair. In French, balayage means to sweep, and that is what this technique is intended to do with color to your hair. It's supposed to delicately sweep in light to natural brunette colors into your hair to achieve this effortless, sun-kissed look. For anyone who wants to know the specifics of like what colors she used on my hair and everything like that, this is straight from my hairdresser. I will just put exactly what she said on the screen. There was absolutely no bleach used on my hair. This is only because my hair is virgin. As you can see, she wrapped the pieces of my hair that she had colored in this like little plastic hair cap, and the plastic cap is intended to provide a subtle incubation which traps the heat that the reaction releases, and it causes the reaction to speed up or strengthen. So after she was done, I sat under this heated lamp. So the heat lamp rotates around your head and it speeds up the chemical reaction. So that is the purpose of this device. Then after I was done sitting under the lamp, I went to the hair washing sink, which by the way was incredibly relaxing, and she washed out the dye that she had applied into my hair. And after she did that, she conditioned my hair, she rinsed it out, and she reapplied the color to two parts of my hair to create this face framing look, which by the way, it's like my favorite part of my hair. There's like lighter pieces in the front and I love it. Then I went back under the lamp again to speed up the chemical reaction, aka the highlights, and when I was done, I went back to the hair washing sink. So she then shampooed my hair 3 times using Pureology's Strength Cure shampoo. She didn't use any conditioner after shampooing my hair 3 times to open the cuticle for the treatment combination that she did on my hair, or that she was about to do on my hair. The treatment she did on me was Olaplex 1 and 2. Even when I had virgin hair, I used Olaplex 0, 3, 6, 7, and 8, basically everything except the shampoo and conditioner. They just don't really work that well on my hair. I love those Olaplex products. I've never had Olaplex 1 and 2 applied to my hair. So Olaplex number 1 is a bond multiplier. This is the first step of the in-salon Olaplex system. Olaplex number 1 is used to lessen damage during chemical processing, and Olaplex number 2, the bond perfector, is the second step of the in-salon system, and it can be used by itself or in combination with number 1. And this combination is intended to internally seek out and repair broken disulfide bonds. Then she used the My Hero Collagen Repair by Guy Tang. I believe I've actually never heard of this product before. So this is a cuticle sealer and a hair softening treatment. She then put this plastic shower cap on my hair to speed up the treatment. I sat under the rotating heat lamp again for 30 minutes and then I went back to the hair washing sink. Then she shampooed my hair once again 3 times using the Pureology Strength Cure shampoo, and she did not use any conditioner. And this step was in preparation for the keratin treatment. Yes, I got a Brazilian keratin treatment. There's a lot of controversy about Brazilian keratin treatments, and by the way, the legit name of the treatment that I got is literally Brazilian keratin, just FYI. They are intended to smooth hair, they reduce frizz, they make it so that after you wash your hair, it's much straighter and smoother than your natural hair texture. There are a ton of different brands of keratin treatments. I think Fernanda said that there are like hundreds of brands. The one that she used on me has the lowest level of formaldehyde that will still give you a frizz-free smooth result. The concentration of formaldehyde in the keratin treatment used on my hair is 0.02%. Because the level of formaldehyde is really low in the keratin treatment that I had, this means that it's not gonna last as long. So it's just gonna last a few months. It's going to rinse out, it's not gonna grow out with my hair. If you have really curly hair, then this treatment is not gonna make your hair permanently pin straight. And I also just wanna point out that a huge factor here is how often you're getting these treatments done, how often you're exposed to them, how well ventilated the salon is where you're getting the keratin treatment done. There was so much ventilation in that salon that my nose was profusely running because of how cold I was. There was a fan directly in my face. There were also 4 industrial-sized air purifiers on the ceiling, and they had the front door of the salon open. Also, another very important thing that I want to mention is that we have one of those Dyson air purifiers at home, and ever since I got this keratin treatment done, I have been doing my hair right next to the air purifier, and we actually keep it in the bedroom, and it detects formaldehyde in the air. The formaldehyde detected in the air has not increased at all since I got this keratin treatment, even when I am blow drying my hair. So I think that that just shows that the keratin treatment I got is totally safe. So here is the keratin process. She fully dried my hair, then she applied the Brazilian keratin into my hair. She then blow dried the Brazilian keratin into my hair using like one of those round brushes and a blow dryer. She then flat ironed really small sections of my hair, and she did that 7 to 12 times each section depending on the thickness of the section. The straightening is the very last step of the keratin application process. So after that, she cut my hair into U-shaped long layers with some face framing pieces in the front. Here is the reveal. I've never felt my hair this smooth before. I also love the new color. It's subtle, it's not too dramatic, and I feel like it really complements my skin tone and just my appearance in general. I feel like it makes my eyes pop, and I love it. I'm gonna do an updated hair care routine too for this new hair, so stay tuned for that. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that you like the hair transformation. Let me know your thoughts below, and I'll talk to you guys next time.